guys, happy 4th of July. This is Jenny's Gems Project channel. I am doing some 4th of July barbecue and I want to share with you the recipes that I am using. Happy 4th of July. Okay, so I'm doing 3 different type of shish kebab, and I will just show you in just a moment. Come and say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
And that's my little helper. She will be helping me. So let me go ahead and show you what I started. Okay, one style of shish kebab we're doing. This will be an appetizer. This is perfect fun for little ones to make and for everybody to eat. We have cut up different fruits and put it on a stick, and she's helping me do that right now. Right now I have cantaloupe, mandarin oranges, grapes, and strawberries, and you can do it with any kind of fruits. I went ahead and chopped them up. I had her help me do whatever that she could have done without a knife, and she's helping me put them on sticks. So that is the first shish kebab that we're having today. Okay, and this is how they're coming out so far. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next shish kebabs that I'm making. Okay, so the second pinchos that I'm making, shish kebab is steak and potatoes, and then I added some peppers and onions. I marinated the steak, and this is what I used to marinate it. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, oregano, pepper, salt, salt, and garlic. And these are the potatoes that I used. I used these small potatoes. These are the ones that you just microwave in the bag, and I just put them together. So that is the steak ones, and then the next ones that I made are chicken. So just stay tuned for that one. Okay, and these are the third ones that I made. This is chicken, bacon, and pineapple. And I marinated the chicken with some adobo, but you can just use salt if you like. And I use this kind of barbecue sauce. I let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and I put the bacon inside the microwave. I put them on top of each other and they got stuck together, so that was a failure. I think next time I will just put the bacon and just let the bacon cook on the grill just like the chicken. So that's the original recipe told me to do that, so that's what happened there. But it looks and smells really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in making any of these recipes, just check out the description section, and I will link the original recipes that I used for my 4th of July dinner, and I'll show you. These are the things that I made. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, happy 4th of July.